Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to Colors Around You. I'm Shivangi and here's another bean crafty video for you guys. So today I'm gonna decorate glass bottle using food stuff. So make sure you watch the full video today. So it's the part 1 of the video and the second part will be coming up soon on my channel. So stay tuned for it. So first of all we need to wash the bottle properly before decorating it. So in this video I'm gonna decorate this small bottle and I'll be also giving you different ideas to decorate them. So let me keep the bottle aside and start with this small one. So we need to wipe it properly after wash so that it's dry from all sides. So after wiping it properly we need to cover it with paint. So I'm taking white acrylic over here, but you can take any other color other than watercolor of course, and you can also not take white but other colors, but the color should not be too deep. Like you can take yellow or orange or blue white tone, but as I said the color should not be too deep. And we need to put on many layers of paint on the bottle so that the transparency of the bottle goes off. As I said, you can use any color but not deep colors, because if you're using deep colors then the design that we're putting on top will not be properly visible. That's why I use light colors. So now we'll wash our hands until it dries, also wash the plate and also change the water which is looking like milk right now. So till then it will dry properly and we'll be ready for the next part. So now it's dried really properly. I waited for 2 to 3 hours so that it dries really nice. And here you can see some parts of the paint are getting off, but no worry, we will put designs on top so it will be covered. So now for the next part, we'll take black color and we need to paint a tree on the bottle. So I'm taking black fabric paint over here, but you can take any. Here I'll give you ideas of what kind of bottles you can use for painting. So I'm using a Maggi ketchup bottle which is made of glass. You also get other bottles like Amul Lassi bottles which are also made of glass, so you can use them easily. Nicely draw a tree with many branches. So the interesting part of the video of using food for bottle decoration is coming up soon next. So until then keep watching the video for sure. I'll give you other ideas to decorate with bottles. So number 1, you can use ropes like jute ropes, not jute ropes, sorry. These are called coconut ropes, so you can use them. So on the internet you get many ideas to use coconut ropes. So it's very common to use coconut ropes to decorate bottles. So I'm using a thin brush here so that I can draw the branches properly. So it's a very easy dye bottle decoration that you can make easily at home. So it's gonna look like just handmade designs. So it's really beautiful. So idea number 2, you can use wool for decorating bottles easily. So I've also drawn 2 birds in the bottle to make it look better. So now we'll just let it dry properly. So I always love working out near the window because natural air comes in and you look at the scenery also. So now it's nicely dried up, so we're ready for the next part, which is the most interesting part in the video of using food stuff. So here I'm taking lady finger. As you know, these are lady fingers. In Hindi these are called bhindi. So we are cutting the bottom part of the ladyfinger out here with a cutter. So we'll just remove whatever is inside the seeds with the cutter. So now you can see it has a beautiful pattern. So we'll use this pattern for the painting, for the decoration. So we'll take out some amount of paint, like colorful. So first of all, I will be taking out Crimson Lake, which is red, also known as red. So I'll be taking out some red in the plate. You can use any color you want as you like. So I'm just spreading the color into the plate nicely. So now we'll take the lady finger and we'll just dip it into the paint nicely so that it takes the paint, the pattern takes the paint. And after taking the paint, we'll just print the pattern in the bottle like it looks like a flower. So it's looking like flowers on the trees. So it's beautiful and it's very easy to make. So you can actually try it out. For many things we're using lady fingerprint. So here you can see these are looking like flowers. So we will use different colors to make flowers. So here idea number 3, you can use spray paint to decorate glass bottles. I have spray paint at home, but only golden color, so I don't prefer it much. So also idea number 4, you can use glitters to decorate glass bottles. So you can see the bottle is looking beautiful. Now we'll let it dry properly. So I've used many different colors. You can also use different colors as you want. So idea number 5 for decorating bottles is clay. Using clay you can make different patterns and beautiful things, and you can put it in the bottle, then paint it, then it'll look beautiful. So we'll let it properly dry. After that it's gonna be ready. So in the part number 2 video, I'll give you more ideas to decorate glass bottles. It was super easy, right? So now your DIY designed bottle is ready. So the next part of this video, part number 2, will be coming up soon on my channel. So please stay tuned for it. And give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel for sure. Thank you so much. Bye bye.